Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm up on the Scrapping for Less blog today, and I'm making this really clean and simple card for you today using the Fall Friends stamp set by Pink and Main. Absolutely loved these little critters. I colored them up as hedgehogs. Love sunflowers. They used to be my absolute favorite flowers, and then the hibiscus kind of overthrew it. But it's definitely my favorite fall image, so that's why I chose this little cutie holding the sunflower. So I'm coloring up my images today using Spectrum Noir alcohol markers, and you're going to see here in a second, if you watch really quickly, there was like a fruit fly buzzing around, and I had to blow it out of the way. I don't know if you can catch it on the camera here. There it was. Now that I've sped it up, but that's your comic relief for today. Normally I'm trying to shoo cats out of the scene, and today it was a fruit fly. So just coloring up the middle of the sunflower and the hedgehog in the same brown colors. Now for the belly and the face, I'm using yellows here, but I will go over this with a very light tan color to get the color that I wanted. The yellow was really just as an undercoat color. So I'm going to darken up his little feet and his nose, then give him some cute little cheeks, and then I'm going to color the petals of the sunflowers. I really love this color combination for the yellow of a sunflower, kind of giving it that deep kind of orangey golden yellow in the center and then brighter on the tips. So I chose the colors based on the pattern paper that I'm going to use. So these two green markers match the green in the pattern paper, which I will show you here once I'm finished coloring, but I'm going to be using the Perfectly Plaid spring paper from Lawn Fawn, which is available in the shop. So I'm just darkening up the center of the sunflower with my Memento Tuxedo black ink, and just his eyes and mouth, and then I'm taking my black gel pen for the center of the sunflower, and I held my breath as I did some detailing on the little hedgehog to give him some fur. It worked out perfect. I usually use a white gel pen, but I thought the black would go better with the center of the sunflower. So then I'm just going to take a light blue marker and I'm going to color around that image, and then I cut it out with a stitched circle die. So here's the pattern paper. I'm cutting out with a Lawn Fawn stitched rectangle die. I'm going to stamp the sentiment with my VersaFine Black Onyx ink, the cute little hello friend. I'm going to die cut that with a fishtail banner die from MFT, and then I'm going to place everything on the card base. So I chose to cut the image with the circle die very close to the hedgehog because I didn't want to make a scene for the bottom of where he was sitting, so I just had it like he was peeking out of that corner of the card. So there's the card for today. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!